Caped Crusaders in classrooms? Absolutely. With a superhero behavior chart, every positive action elevates students, while negative ones see them descend. It's a dynamic system that fosters accountability and excitement in the classroom. Ever heard of a magic jar of calm? It's a tangible sensory tool filled with calming elements. When students feel overwhelmed, this jar offers a visually engaging way to reset their emotions. Next, make learning an adventure with classroom adventure quests. By transforming rules into exciting quests, positive behavior earns points or small rewards, encouraging adherence to rules and fostering accomplishment. Enter mood monsters. These colorful critters facilitate nonverbal expression of emotions, creating a visual language for emotional exploration. Finally, we have time travel tokens. These give students the chance to take short breaks when they're feeling overwhelmed, offering a practical strategy for emotional self-regulation. So, are you ready to transform your classroom into a dynamic, emotionally aware environment?